Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. Now, for us to get this done, I've opened my Roblox here, and first thing that we are going to do is try to take a look at our characters of the moment. So if I were to go ahead and scroll down, you should be able to see that this is my character is currently wearing right now. This is what it is. That's how it looks. Alright, so it's almost near to being like wearing nothing, removing all kind of clothes. However, you can still see this red thing here and then here down below, meaning they're not really the same. So in order for us to get a workaround here, we can head over to the marketplace, and here in the marketplace, I just want you to go ahead and try to write here transparent. So when you do that, you should be able to see this one right here. This is the shadow transparent suit white, and from here you should be able to have the option to try it on here. Go ahead and click that one, and then yes, hit the 3D here if you're seeing 2D. So basically this is how my character is going to look like should I decide to use this one. Yep, that is how it works everybody. I hope this video helps you out.